Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ehsan, and today we are going to make a Chrome extension with Flutter project. If you're interested in learning how to make a Chrome extension using Flutter, this is video for you. So let's start it. So we make a new project with your desired IDE. I usually use IntelliJ IDEA. I name it Chrome extension. And make the project. After creating the project, we get a web export of the project to make sure everything works correctly. So I select Chrome and get export. So I got the export. Everything is working, no problem. So let's make it Chrome extension. So for that, we have to go to web folder and index HTML. So we should remove some scripts. For example, we should get rid of this script and this script. And inside of the body tag, we should write another script src main.dart.js type application / JavaScript, and we close the tag. And for HTML, we should provide height and width. We should make a style, yes, height 600 pixel and width 350 pixel, and that's it. For the HTML file, we should go to manifest.json and write these specifics for our application. We will remove this and starting with ourselves. For here, we write name. We can write the name Chrome extension, and then we can provide description. This is a Chrome extension using Flutter. Okay, we should provide version. It's 1.0, for example, or whatever you want. Then content, security policy, extension page, script, src self, and object src self. Okay. For actions, action, we will say default pop up is our index.html, and default icon is icons, should put it in some quotation, icons slash icon 192.png. We have some errors because this should be bracket, not a square bracket, and default spelling is wrong. Okay, that's it for action. And for manifest version, we should use 3. Sorry. Okay, so our project is ready to be a Chrome extension. So let's get a export again, so we make sure there is no problem with that, and then we go for the Chrome thing. So this is the project again. It's working, there's no problem for that. So our application is ready to be a Chrome extension. I should write this code in the terminal to make export for the Chrome extension. So I will write Flutter build web web renderer HTML and CSP. After compiling that, we are going to Chrome and extension page, and we make sure the developer mode is on. If it's not on, we don't get to see these buttons. With this button, I click on load unpacked, and we are going to our project folder, then build folder, then web folder, and we select this. As you can see, we have a new extension here, and you can refresh it with this button. From my extension list, I can see Chrome extension here. If I click on it, as you can see, we can see our application and it works perfectly. So thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more mobile development tutorials. Have a nice day.